Hello everyone and welcome to Python 3 in 100 Minutes course. I am Dr. Ryan Ahmed. I'm a professor and best-selling Udemy instructor. I hold a doctorate degree with focus in control systems and a master's degree with focus on artificial intelligence. So why Python? Python is ranked as the #1 programming language to learn this year. Here are 3 reasons you need to learn Python right now. First, high salary. Average salary for Python programmers in the US is around $116,000 a year, which is great given how easy it is to acquire the skill. Reason number 2, easy to learn. Python is the easiest programming language to learn. So if you have zero experience in programming in the past, you should start learning Python right now. Versatility. Python can be used for web development, data science, machine learning, computer vision, data analysis and visualization, scripting, gaming, and even robotics applications. This course is a beginner's level Python course to cover programming basics. We are going to follow a project-based learning approach, and we will build 3 fun, practical projects together. You can add these projects to your portfolio of projects to showcase your future employer during any job interview. There is no prior experience required. Even if you have never used Python or any programming language in the past, don't worry. And you will get a certificate of completion that you can post on your LinkedIn profile. Check out the preview videos and course outline to get an idea of what projects we're going to be working on. Enroll today, and I look forward to seeing you inside.